Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: updated iTunes or Finder and stable internet. Once done, plug the iPhone into your computer using a certified cable and ensure battery is above 50%. You will back up now. Choose iCloud for convenience or local backup for a full copy. Make sure the computer recognizes the device. If not, unlock the iPhone and tap Trust. This prepares the device so the restore process can proceed without data surprises. You'll continue by selecting Restore in Finder or iTunes. This erases and reinstalls iOS, resolving most restore errors. If the standard restore fails, put the phone into recovery mode or DFU mode. Follow model-specific button sequences because DFU bypasses iOS and is deeper. Once the firmware download begins, let it finish. Interruptions cause partial installs. Make sure your computer stays awake and do not disconnect the cable. These middle steps are where most successful fixes happen. You finish by following on-screen setup. Restore your backup or setup as new, then confirm Apple ID sign-in and device activation. If activation stalls, verify Wi-Fi or cellular, restart both the iPhone and computer, and retry activation. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes handshake issues. If the restore throws repeated errors, switch to a different cable or computer to rule out hardware faults, and only then contact Apple support with your error code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.